So next discussion tayo dito guys regarding SignalBot. So itong SignalBot guys, isa sa mga advanced tools gamit yung TradingView kasama yung mga professional, no. So yung SignalBot is highly customizable advanced trading bot designed to execute buy and sell orders based on signals from TradingView or in-house software platforms, no. Integrate seamlessly with PineScript. Ito sa mga magagaling na programmer or developer, you can just integrate yung PineScript strategies, deploy yung scripts, and trade directly on OKX, eliminating the need for complex API trade setup, no. So hindi mo na kailangan ng API, integrate mo lang yung PineScript strategies, and then you can set itong SignalBot strategy guys, no. So why TradingView and PineScript, one of the largest open source community for algo trade backtesting. If ever kasi na makapag-set ka sa TradingView ng PineScript, you can backtest kung magkano yung profits mo, magkano yung pinaka-drawdown mo doon guys, no. So signal providers, only professionals and institutions with a strong track record could publish ng signal, no. So every public signal provider undergoes rigorous onboarding process including yung credential verification, one-on-one interview, signal integration, and agreement signing, no. So backtested results and signal trigger history with a 24-hour delay are transparently displayed for public review. So, meron silang bagong product dito pala guys. Ito yung tinatawag na Smart Arbitrage, no. Earn risk-free profit with the delta neutral strategy. Available na ito. You can just explore itong Smart Arbitrage. So, dito naman guys, sa Smart Arbitrage, yung strategy na ito is accumulated doon sa pinaka-funding rate, no. For mainstream coins, optimal for holding short. Like, for example, this one, merong funding rate sa futures kasi, mayroong tinatawag na funding rate na every 8 hours yan. Like, for example, reset yung funding rate between, like for example, 8 p.m. 12 midnight. It depends ito kung negative yung funding rate, mas marami yung naglulong, no. Dito nagkakaroon ng Smart Arbitrage, no. Estimated APR on top coins if running Smart Arbitrage bot up to 200+%, no. You can explore itong Smart Arbitrage. Punta ka lang dito sa app ni OKX and then select mo itong trade, and then punta ka lang dito sa my marketplace and then Smart Picks. Ito. And makikita mo na dito guys yung Smart Arbitrage bots, no. Meron na dito mga default na backtested APR. Ito. So you can just select dito, like for example kay Solana or Ethereum. And paggamit mo naman guys yung phone, dito lang ulit sa trade. Ayan. And then trading bots. And then dito merong Smart Arbitrage katabi ng futures grid. Select mo lang ito. And then makikita mo na dito yung mga available, no. Like for example kay Sol, kay BTC, Ethereum, itong tatlong ito. You can just easily create dito. May option ng create, like for example kay Sol guys, no. And you can just set ng USDT kung magkano yung pinaka minimum available naman dyan, and then you can just create guys, no. So simple as that kung paano siya puntahan. Same goes dito sa desktop, no. So like for example sa desktop, itong kay Sol, kay Ethereum, select mo lang, and then makikita mo na dito yung pinaka-data, runtime niya. Ito yung last 3 days, last 30 days. You can just select. And minimum dito is 55 USDT, and then you can just create dito guys, no. So yun, hope you get some insights dito sa ating playlist. Ano nga ba yung mga available bot trading dito kay OKX. Sana nakatulong ito sa mga nagtatanong, mga available opportunities. So yun guys, dito na magtatapos ang ating playlist regarding dito sa overview and idea kay OKX bot trading, yung mga available tools, features, and opportunity. Education is protection guys, so make sure you understand yung pinaka-risk and reward para mas mag-grind kayo dito ng informed decisions sa end ninyo. So yun lang guys, maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.